So in California, child support is calculated by using what's called the California guideline child support formula. There are a number of factors and variables that the court considers. Most notably, they look at the gross monthly income of the parties, so that would be of the custodial parent and the non-custodial parent. And they would also look at the timeshare that the non-custodial parent has with the child, meaning how much does that parent see the child on a monthly basis. Those are the three biggest factors and variables that the courts will consider. However, there are a number of other variables that they consider as well. You might still be ordered to pay child support. However, once you have 50-50 custody, you would be paying the lowest amount of child support typically possible, because the way it works in California is that the more time you spend with a child, the less child support you would have to pay, and vice versa. So if it's a situation where you don't spend much time with the child, or if you spend no time with the child at all, the amount of child support you're going to be ordered to pay is going to be on the higher end. When considering and calculating child support, one of the factors that the courts will and may consider would be the living arrangements and the family situation of the parties. So if you do have a situation where you're caring for other children, that can come into play when calculating child support. How it comes into play depends on the scenario, and it's taken on a fact-by-fact, a case-by-case basis. The more time that you have with a child, the less you would be ordered to pay child support, and vice versa. So again, if it's a situation where you have no relationship or you're not seeing the child as much, then you're going to be paying on the higher end of child support.